Hi! In front of me is ALCATEL 1 2022, and today I would like to show you how you can check all specifications of this device. Firstly, go into Play Store. Now tap on this search bar and type in DevCheck. Following that, you need to install this free app, DevCheck Device and System Info from this developer, and open it. Now, thanks to this app, you can find out all the information about your ALCATELs. For example, dashboard, hardware, system, battery, network, apps, camera, and finally sensors. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Bye!